Hey guys, Coach here. So we're going to finish up today 4 and 1, 80%. And you can kind of see by looking over here at our indicators that you can see the turbulence that it went through. There was a great buy opportunity right here. And there was a potential great buy opportunity right here. But I passed on both of them because I was in two sales playing the same two strikes. So we played the 50 and the 54 today 5 times. That's what kind of movement it's been. Now, if you're on a broker, that's a completely different mindset than playing on Nadex. Nadex, it ended at 8 o'clock. The first one ended at 8. The second one ended at 8. The third one ended at 9. The fourth one ended at 9. We took a break, paused because we were going to get 10 o'clock news. So we waited till that happened. And then the fifth one was taken for 11. And that's happening now. So we stopped at 4 and 1, 80%. We finished up Thursday 4 and 1, 80%. We're right at about 80% for the year. And so everything is clicking right along. Now, everybody asks, how much money can you make doing that? There's 7 people in this room, and all 7 people is making different amounts. The people in the room know that because they've heard me go over this and say this. So if you're watching this on a YouTube video, then I'll explain all that. And I can't just explain it in this video because it's different for everybody. We just have to figure out what your situation is. So we could have easily took some buys over here. We got great little buy signals. This one would have been the great one. This one would have been the one that would depend on where you got in on Nadex. So when it gets in here on a broker, as I told everybody, that's your turn zone. So you get in down here. After you get all 4 steps, you make your money in that zone, and you can do the math. That's somewhere around 8 pips. So depending upon how much you're trading, on how much you would have made on that, then I would get out. You look for the setup. This is the sell that we took. We won it 2 times this morning. We won it 4 times this morning and lost it 1 time. And then this afternoon, starting at 11, we're out. So we're not looking for it. It may set up again. You could potentially play it again, and then I would go through that process. Your strike rate would be 12 p.m. on Nadex. Or you could take it for 1, or you could wait until 12 and get it for 2. There's so many ways to play it based off of what we're looking at. So for today, we're happy with our results, 4 and 1, 80%. We passed on both the buys, the mediocre one and the good one. We passed on this one because we had a member here, Mike, that suggested that when it makes that bottom sometime around that 9:30 bell, it struggles to get back below that. So we're testing that theory today. It has held true so far. It has not been able to break that. So we didn't take another trade. We didn't buy that. We wanted to see. Typically, I would look for a buy in there again, and I would continue that overall trend going down. And I'm just timing these pullbacks. Usually when the 9:30 bell does that, we'll come over here and play USD CHF, but we didn't because from 10 to 11, it was like a falling knife and it dropped. And I'm not saying you couldn't make money, and I'm not saying there's somebody out there that would play that and they wouldn't be right by doing it. They would be. What I'm saying is, for the way that we play, that happens so fast that's one that we just watch it, let it hit the bottom, rebalance. We're 4 and 1, 80%. We don't have FOMO. We're not afraid to say, wait on it, right? So right now we're waiting on it. And while we're waiting on this to do some stuff, we can come back over here to the EU and think, wow, from 7 to 8, from 8 to 9, 9 to 10, and 10 to 11, the strike rate has been around 1650 and 1654, which is the same strikes that I played. I played the 1654 twice, this one, and won them both times, hit all 3 targets. I played this one 3 times, and it hit all 3 targets twice and hit a target 1 once. So we're happy with the results, and now we're going to watch it. So thanks for being here. I appreciate you. If you're not here yet, we welcome you. See you soon. Peace.